How to set spending limit on SafePal Wallet. Are you guys facing issue to set spending limit on SafePal Wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To set a spending limit on SafePal Wallet, open the SafePal Wallet on your mobile device. Once you open the wallet, go to Settings from the home screen or Profile menu. Once you enter the settings, look for Security Settings or Spending Limit options. Tap on Spending Limit and enable it if it's off. Now enter the maximum amount of crypto or fiat you want to allow for transaction or per day, depending on the app's option. Confirm your settings by entering a security password or biometric verification. Setting a spending limit adds an extra layer of control, helping you avoid accidental large transactions and keep your crypto safe. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out all the videos in this channel for full guide. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna set spending limit on SafePal Wallet. Bye bye.